A chicken catching video with a novice. So we're gonna see how this goes. Just kind of herd them out into the open, Kyra, and Kyra is scared of chickens, so we're gonna see how all this works. Oh, they're working. There's two of them. Drive these two into the common area here.
Yeah, they're there. One's inside the.
Okay. And once they're up into the common area, let's see if my little trick works.
Okay.
Ha ha ha! You lost your nerve.
Ooh. Do I do it fast?
Well, usually from behind is good, but see, trying to catch them, they scatter like chickens.
Yeah.
Imagine trying to run around and grab one. They don't want to. So come up behind and just put that rake on her back. Yeah. Okay, she's on to you. There's a couple up in here.
Okay.
Agitated hen.
She's gonna come for me.
No, she's not gonna come and attack you. No, no. Okay, she's in the corner. Just put that rake on her back. Just hold her firmly with the rake. All right, here. You do the filming. I'll see if I can make this work.
Yeah.
Between the dogs and us, we're all agitated.
Come here, darling.
Right behind you there, Stan.
No.
Okay.
She just lies there, right?
Okay.
Doesn't move. Isn't gonna move now. Not agitated. Pick her up.
Huh.
So it took us a minute to get there, but we did. Right? So let's see if the wing thing works with the chicken. Come here, honey. So let's see if she stays asleep for a second or quite what she does. Yeah, she woke up fairly quick.
Huh.
But we learned this once. We were trying to herd the chickens, Jeff and I.
Yeah.
And you can't pick them up. They just scatter like chickens.
Yeah.
You put that rake on their back, they just stop.
Mm-hmm.
And I said to Jeff, I said, what kind of a survival response is that? And he quips, he goes, well, it works well for the other two. Right? I think actually when the rooster comes to cover the hen.
Okay.
Oh, maybe they get that. Oh, yeah.
I think they just instinctively do that.
Oh, yeah.
But if they were a little less agitated than we've created here,
Mhm.
they
They get
bunk,
stirred up.
they
Yeah.
just stop.
Yeah.
So, want to try it?
Mm-mm.
No.
No, this spooked me.
Oh, okay.